Why grammar should build understanding and not fear. Hi, I'm Dr. Parul Shah. I'm a psychologist, graphologist, worksheet designer, and phonics expert. I am the author of the book Empower with BLA Phonics 1 and 2. Both are available on Amazon and Flipkart. I am early education empowerment coach. I help women to start their career in teaching from their home. So it's learn and earn at home. Today we are going to talk about grammar and how should grammar be taught to children so that it is not fearful for them and they can utilize it whenever required. So if you feel that children, for children, grammar is too intimidating or it's fearful, then it's not their fault. Grammar only becomes difficult when it is taught as set of rules instead of meaning. Many children are afraid of grammar because they feel that it's difficult to memorize all these rules. But the fact is that in grammar, they don't have to memorize the rule. Many children can name the tense of the sentence or pick out parts of speech from that sentence, but when it comes to understanding what they've read or write in their own words, they struggle. And this is not fair. This shows something very, very vital, and that is grammar is memorized and not utilized. They don't understand how to use the rules that they have learned. Grammar should actually help children to find out the meaning of what they have read, to answer the questions like who did what, when, where, how of the sentence. So grammar should promote understanding of the sentence. It's the backbone of comprehension. So when they have to read a passage, they should understand the meaning or comprehend the meaning of what they've read with the help of grammar. Grammar also helps a lot in reading by itself, in the sense that when a child is reading, instead of just guessing the meaning of what the child has read, grammar helps them to understand, it helps them to think in the way the passage is going. So they understand the flow of the passage, the context of the passage, and that way the guesswork has changed to clear understanding of whatever they are reading. Grammar also strengthens writing. It helps children to express freely what they are feeling. So grammar also helps children in maintaining the flow of what they are writing, understanding what they are writing, and coming up with sentences that really stand out, as they can form proper sentences with proper vocabulary and with the proper placing of the word in that sentence. So instead of teaching in isolation just the rules and then you later on give them exercises, why don't you explain with exercises while explaining them the rules? In our English enrichment program, we teach children with live examples, stories, passages from where they pick out the part of speech that we are doing, pick out the words, understand the form of word, and then make sentences out of those words so that they understand how to construct sentence using these words. So whichever part of speech we are doing or whichever topic of grammar we are doing, we do it with proper examples live in class. So if you still feel that children are confused and they don't know how to construct sentence, though they know the rules of grammar, that doesn't mean that children are weak or the concepts are not clear. It clearly shows that they have been not taught how to utilize the rules that they have learned in sentences while reading or writing. So if you want grammar to support reading and writing, stay connected with us, because that is our approach for teaching grammar to children. If you have yet not subscribed us, please subscribe for more such tips. Bye-bye. Take care.